welcome back to our channel, where we're all about personal growth and self-improvement. Today, we have a very special topic that's going to transform your life: how to motivate yourself forever. Are you ready to unlock your true potential? Well, you're in the right place, and I'm thrilled to be sharing these powerful strategies with you. Motivation is like fuel for our dreams, and in today's fast-paced world, it's easy to lose sight of what drives us. But fear not. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to stay motivated forever. The first step in this journey is to understand that motivation is not a constant state. It's a skill that can be cultivated. So let's dive into our first strategy: setting meaningful goals. Your goals are the guiding force behind your motivation. When you set meaningful goals, you give yourself a clear direction and a sense of purpose. Remember, your goals should be challenging yet attainable, and most importantly, they should align with your passions and values. Close your eyes and imagine your ideal future. What does it look like? How does it feel? Creating a compelling vision allows you to connect with your dreams on a deeper level. It fuels your motivation by reminding you of the incredible rewards awaiting you on your journey. Embrace that vision and let it guide you every day. Consistency is key when it comes to motivation. By establishing a powerful routine, you eliminate decision fatigue and create a structure that supports your goals. Start by identifying the activities that energize you and make you feel alive. Incorporate them into your daily routine and watch your motivation soar. Strategy number 4: embracing physical and mental well-being. Taking care of your body and mind is essential for maintaining long-term motivation. Now let's go deep on the topic. How can you tell if someone is ready to work on themselves? There is no definitive response to this question. Everything is dependent on the person. Many people want to attain their objectives, goals, or aspirations but lack the knowledge to do so. They may have considered ways to better themselves and what their perfect life would entail, but they have no idea where to start when it comes to developing the plans and taking the necessary steps to turn those ideas into reality. Some people have a hazy sense of how to improve themselves. These are people who think that everything would be all right and that they would be happy if only they had a better job, better chances, the love of their life, or anything else. They believe that external factors determine their happiness, or lack thereof, and that the effects of their thoughts and deeds are negligible. Some people think they can achieve self-improvement and attain what they desire if they have more money. They may have given their goals for life some thought and don't really think they can do much to make a specific utopia come true, except by buying more lottery tickets. Some people may not even be aware of their own desires or what makes them truly happy. They merely flow from one day to the next, week to the next, month to the next, and year to the next. They might have stable employment and make enough money to live somewhat comfortably. They appear to be content with their lives as they are and lack any strong aspirations to make them better than they are. Is it vital to improve yourself? The truth is that throughout our lives, we are all continually growing and changing. Even if we are not consciously choosing to grow and develop, circumstances cause us to do so. We learn through official education up until a certain age, and we keep learning throughout the remainder of our lives through our experiences. To deal with everything that life throws at us, we must learn and develop. Everybody has to work on themselves. The speed of life today is significantly faster than it has ever been. Anyone living in contemporary society has more options than ever to pursue their life goals. However, there is also greater competition than ever, and because of the rapid advancement of technology, there are now very few, if any, jobs for life. Nowadays, switching jobs frequently during our working years is less common than completely switching occupations and industries. People who are ambitious and driven to succeed understand that they must continually learn new skills and knowledge to keep ahead of the competition in the highly competitive workplace. It takes self-improvement to accomplish this. These are the people who are most likely to advance in their careers, excel in their chosen fields, or find work quickly in a variety of businesses or sectors. The course of one's future may depend on their dedication to personal growth and advancement. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who uplift and inspire you is crucial for staying motivated. Seek out mentors, join supportive communities, and build relationships with people who share your ambitions. Together, you can celebrate victories, overcome challenges, and fuel each other's motivation. And there you have it: 5 powerful strategies to motivate yourself forever. Remember, motivation is not a destination, it's a lifelong process. Regular exercise, nourishing meals, and self-care practices not only boost your energy but also improve your overall well-being. Remember, a healthy mind and body create fertile ground for motivation to thrive. Last but not least, our final strategy is cultivating a supportive environment. In conclusion, embracing physical and mental well-being. Taking care of your body and mind is essential for maintaining long-term motivation.